Alright, so in this video I'm going to go through model number 3 of the Mass Properties Analysis sheet. Got Inventor opened up. I'm going to click New, Bradley Tech, Part Inches, hit Create. I'm going to start a new sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to start by drawing a line that goes up. It looks like the height, right? So I'm drawing it from this side here. The height is 0.5. It goes to the right 2 inches. It appears to go up. Looks to me like the length from here to here is 3.5. Over to the right, again, half an inch, so 0.5. Back down my 3.5. To the right, the distance from this inside edge to this inside edge is 4. Again, up 3.5. To the right, 0.5. Back down my 3.5. To the right, 2. Back down, and I'm just going to connect these. I do see that I have some purple lines. I'm just going to see where it thinks I missed the dimension. There it is. And just to verify, I'm going to make sure that my dimension from my left side to the right side now equals 9. And it does. So I can go ahead and extrude this object. The overall extrusion is 5 inches there. So finish sketch. Zoom out. Extrude. Distance of 5. When I look at my object, it says that all chamfers are 1 inch by 1 inch. So we've got a tool up here that says chamfer. Distance 1. And I have a chamfer there, here. Looks like each of these edges are 1 inch. I'm going to rotate my object around so that I can grab this edge as well as this edge and hit apply. I have a circle that goes right through the whole thing, so I'm going to do a new sketch here with the circle tool. The size of that circle, it says 1.5 2 holes. So I'm simply going to put it there, type in 1.5. Looks like the distance from the top line to the center is 2 inches. And from my right hand side, I'm getting that here, right hand side of the center is 2.5. Finish sketch. Click extrude. I'm going to switch it to cut again, and I'm going to go through all and hit OK. Then we have this slot, and we have the slots on both sides. Right? We just cannot see this other slot. So I'm going to do a new sketch right here. I've got a circle. Top of this slot is a circle with a radius 0.375. So when I place my circle, you can right click to radius, type in 0.375. And I have another circle aligned with it, so I'm just going to grab my original one and drag it down a little bit. Notice that my dimension only goes from the middle to the edge, so that's still in radius, 0.375. Looks like the distance from this inside edge, this bottom edge here, to the center of that first circle is 1.5. And the distance from that circle to that circle is 2 inches. So from here to here is 2 inches. And then we have a distance from the center to the outside edge. So center of the slot here to this outside edge is 1 inch. So from here to here, 1 inch, and from here to here is also 1 inch. I can use my line tool to then create a tangent line between both of my edges. Finish sketch. I'm not going to worry that they're purple. Regardless, it should allow me to extrude and cut those out. Right? So what I'm going to do now to copy that to the other side, right? I have this option that says plane. This plane, if I pull this drop menu down, it says mid plane. Right? So I'm going to grab this edge and this edge. That gives me a plane right in the middle. We have a tool up here that says mirror. I'm going to grab the feature I want. Here's my slot. Mirror plane. I'm going to grab this plane that I just made, and you can see that it's popping up on the other side, and hit OK. Where it says work plane 1, I can right click. Slide this out of the way, right click, go to visibility. Now that's gone. All right, so just like the other ones, I'm going to now find that aluminum 6061. Go to File, Eye Properties, Physical. Find that aluminum 6061. There's my property details for this specific part.